Good morning. Just had a lovely lie-in, so I finally feel a bit more fresh because I got some sleep. The weather's not ideal today. Still a lovely old view, isn't it? But yeah, you can see it do be the big raining. So I don't know how much we'll get done today. We'll still go out and explore because I don't want to waste one of the Phnom Penh days. But first port of call is going to be going and smashing a big fat brekkie. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll take you upstairs and we'll go and smash as many calories as we possibly can and figure out a plan for today. Go do some cool things. So cut to me stuffing my face. Thank you. This is the only trouble of an open area. Oh, that's sick. Look, you can see them literally swimming in the pool. This is where we sat yesterday. Right, big old breakfast buffet at the top there. You get a panoramic view, so you got on that side, and then we can go around here as well. 100% getting in that pool. Hello, sister. Even if it is raining. Maybe we'll have a little seat here. Look at that. Yeah, let's sit here. Oh, you can actually see the river right on the far side too. Absolutely. Very nice, this will do. Just don't let the rain spoil it. I mean, it is rainy season to be fair, so I'm not gonna complain. So, let's get some fucking food. Maybe get some pancakes or some cheesy French toast I saw. And then I'll do the healthy thing. I'll have the stuff I want, and then have the stuff I need. Having salad for breakfast. Look at you, healthy girl. What? I nearly got that on camera. Showing the world that booty. Look how healthy that looks, and I'm not just doing it for camera. Absolutely love a little fruit platter in the morning. That's absolutely massive, by the way. Oh, wait, that's massive, right?
No, small.
That's massive. It's massive. Bro, we're gonna struggle today. Look at that. You can't even see. Well, you can, but you can barely make out those buildings now. Because I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that is the big rain, like really coming down. Oh, I don't really know what we can do or where we can go.
But nice, right?
I quite like the rain. Yeah.
The rainy view.
Yeah. Peaceful. Yeah. Relaxing. I'm just going to check out the pool though. Have a little swim there. I'm going to do a proper review video on my Instagram, so you can check that out at Gareth in Asia on everything. Like and subscribe. Mate, this buffet is actually elite. It's normally just coffee and water, coffee and tea, and then look, mango, strawberry guava, go on then, and an orange. So I'm gonna have some of that now. Yeah, it's still nice and warm. To be honest, the first time I came out to Asia was on rainy season anyway, so I quite like the rainy season. I mean, don't get me wrong, I prefer it when it's not raining, but there's something nice about just kind of hopping around little cafes and having the relaxing music on and listening to the sound of that rain. I know I sound very old and very sad, but it's true. Oh, lovely, thank you. Oh yeah. Up and bottom. These are very different. Oh mate, absolute smash. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Beautiful. Oh, that is pang. Right, so good. You want some? The rain is still raining, but it's died down a little bit. Akun, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Akun. Yeah, look, you can see, well, you can see it on there, but I'll show you around later. But that's like an infinity pool that goes off the edge. Right, we're gonna go check out the pool now because it has stopped raining. Just do you guys have a towel? Perfect. Yeah. Thank you. Akun. Thank you. Towels acquired. Let me. Oh yeah, look, you can see right in. That's sick. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, there's like a whole bar up here, and then that looks like the pool just above my head. Let's go to the bar bit first. Put the towels down. Dude, the view up here. Fuck yeah. Okay, got a changing room. It has been raining, so I guess that's why they've got the seat covers on. Look at that, mate. Oh, I tell you what, there is no better sight than an infinity pool.
Really?
That is the sign of luxury in it. What do you think, babe?
Really good. And
Really good.
beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, that's stunning.
Yeah. Give me.
The view of the over, like, well, it's a panoramic view. You've got like literally the whole city here. It's not really a sunbathing kind of day, but I mean, if you're coming to Phnom Penh in peak season, if you stay by Aquarius, then you will have this in like 30-degree heat, dry, blue skies.
Yeah.
Will be stunning. So, right, let's have a little jump in then. Let's get in that pool, baby. It's a shame it's not sunny like yesterday. Oh, this would be even nicer.
Yeah.
What's this one
That's
here,
nice.
the Shangri-La? It's absolutely massive.
There is a Naga.
So is that the Royal Palace? On the end?
Yeah.
Right, I've basically just been sat indoors doing some editing and stuff, waiting for the rain to stop, but it's dry now and the skies don't look too bad. The clouds are white, which means there's like not rain, right? So I'm gonna go out for a coffee now, head into Basak Lane, which is kind of like, I don't know if you'd call it like the center, but it's where all the main like kind of bars and restaurants, I guess you'd say the touristy bit, but it is nice. And there's a little French cafe I'm gonna go to, get some coffee because I've got to do some, well, we need to book the Airbnb and the Vietnam flights so we can head out to Hanoi. And yeah, so we need to do a lot of organizing and that is my weak point. So let me focus on that, otherwise I'll end up just filming videos and I've already left it too late. Like the prices have like probably nearly doubled, and we'll head out and I'll catch you with a lovely sip of the hot brown. Oh my god. Oh. I thought they were real then. Look, how realistic do they look? I literally thought there was a little donkey again. So guy. So stay bong. So stay bong. Oh, not so stay. I've gone. Yeah. I'm always doing that. I leave and go, hello. I've arrived. Paris baguette. See you. Thank you. Ooh. Wow. So stay. Hello. Oh wow. This is nice. Oh my god. All the bakery stuff.
Yeah.
I love all this stuff. This is like European holiday all over, by the way. You wouldn't understand. Oh wow. Sister. Oh, thank you. Oh mate, look at this. Sausage pillow pizza. I might just get a normal coffee. I'm tempted by a smoothie though. I'm not gonna lie, I am tempted. Actually, that's such a lie. I don't even like cakes. $4 for a cappuccino.
Ice bar này kìa.
No, it's like well expensive. $4 for a cappuccino. It's like £3.25. It's like the same price back home, isn't it? So, and then like 3 something for the smoothie, which is okay. But I mean, I guess to be fair, like we're not in a traditional Khmer place, are we? This is like a very bougie French cafe. French cafe. Yeah, look, they're huge.
That's why.
It's normally just a little small thing. Also, look, show your top. How sick does she look today? I absolutely love this. Of course it's a fake, but yes, it's open. So we literally just tried 2 other food places, but annoyingly everything's just closed because it's a public holiday, which is fair enough, but it's annoying because I'm bloody starving. But we've been to this Korean place before and it absolutely slaps. It's like a Korean barbecue thing. Yeah, it's a Korean barbecue. Busy stuffing my face, I almost missed it. Healthy beef bone soup. I don't know what it is either. I'm just pure guessing here. I don't know what the fuck that is either. I'm kind of just pointing at stuff on the menu and then just praying for the best. Oh yeah.
That's egg. Steamed egg.
It's egg, right?
Yeah.
It's so puffy, look. Oh shit. This goes right down. I'm very intrigued about this though. Is that that's gonna be really hot too. You can see the steam. Right. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really good. It's bloody hot, but it's really good.
Tasty.
What is this? I literally just heard you go bleh. So I'm thinking it's not gonna be good. Can you get it for me? Put it on the spoon. This damn camera. I did hear you gag. Whoa, what is that? I don't like it. Oh, it's so salty.
Yeah, normally you didn't put
Why is it spicy? I'm just washing it down with some egg because it's fucking. Yeah, please. Fuck me. Ah, you just fucking you're boiling hot on me, you fucking idiot. No. Jesus Christ. Fucking straight. Where did that come out of? Fucking hell. Oh, yes, we're so bad at this. It's because I can't multitask. Yes, please. Such a hectic taste test. Right, let's just fucking eat. I'm gonna chill out, piss off. Literally completely forgot we'd ordered this as well. The thing with like Korean food, it just comes out when it's ready. So you get halfway through one thing, and then another thing will just show up. I've just been given a tea, and Solida didn't take hers because apparently they taste like armpit. It's these ones that they're giving those guys there. Everyone gets them. You said armpit. Oh, oh, it smells cinnamon.
Cinnamon and honey. Honey.
That's really nice.
Really? Is it real?
Can you get me yours? Can you ask for one so I can have it?
Somebody who did.
Double tea. I can.
Finish first.
Yes. You're not my mum. I'm just getting it. You see how scary she is? I know she's little and cute, but she's scary.
I'm cute, I'm pretty.
You think? That's bloody lovely, man. I'll tell you what, that is bloody lovely. That is bloody lovely. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Absolutely fantastic. I'll have a bottle, please.
No, I don't like.
A bottle, please. Yeah. That was already delicious. Ah. Dasani. No Dasani, no Punani. Cutest thing ever, right? The woman sat outside the front. Her husband is the security guard. He's working a night shift. And as I said to Solida, oh, is she homeless? But no, she's just come to work with her husband to sit outside to keep him company while he's doing a security guard job. Isn't that the cutest thing you'd ever seen? I'll do it, but I'm only doing it for the vlog. Because there's a lot of weird Asian fruits, isn't there? What's this one called? What are you doing?
Don't ask me that. I don't know.
You don't know. What do I do? Just bite that off.
This is the food.
I mean, I've tried durian, so this can't be as bad, right?
It's okay.
Ooh, it sort of does and it doesn't. Right.
Have a
So
sit
soft.
inside. Okay.
It's all right. I'm not gonna lie, it actually tastes all right, but it's just really like sour or bitter, like.
Sour.
Well, look at this texture here, look, it's like really soft and flimsy. Yeah. Risky games, big rewards. Yeah, this was 100% worth the trip up. You know what? In the daytime you can see more, but at night the view is just so much cooler, isn't it? Oh, I forgot to put my night mode on. Well, I hope that shows up because I can't be asked to film that again. 100% recommend getting a place that actually has a rooftop. It's just the best ways to get the views. Like, look, you can literally see like some of the temples and pagodas that are lit up as well. So, you know, I mean, you're not going to have a place that's right on the beach. So if you're in the city, you may as well come up high and get a view like this. Anyway, well enjoyed those. Thank you so much if you watched. Absolutely loving doing these. So yeah, hit subscribe because I just want to grow this channel because I freaking love doing this, and I spent a fortune on this camera that I can't afford. So yeah, I'll join you for the next one. Thanks for watching. In a bit.